Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here in Kuta area. This is Jalan Wanasegara, and as you can see, the situation surrounding this area, everything's still open. And unfortunately, since few days ago, we got rain on and off, so it's not really good weather at the moment in Bali. But the temperature is still okay, still good to go around as long as you bring your umbrella. But maybe it's difficult to drive scooter unless you want to wear a raincoat, and it will be fine. And here we are entering Jalan Kuta Plaza in Kuta. So I will drive you along this street as usual. I will do motovlog, and let's see the situations here. And now it's around almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon or lunchtime. So let's see. So I hope I will not see any flooding because it's been raining like on and off for a few days, almost a week now. So I hope tomorrow will be better. The situation, the weather, sun come again, and we can see sunset again. Because I think a lot of tourists, they like to come to Bali. They want to enjoy Bali with the good weather, no rain. And here on the left side, this is the Lipo Mall. By this time, nothing much is happening, not a lot of people. But if you come at evening, there will be busy. If no rain, yeah. And normally they have live music there. And if you love the Brazilian houses barbecue, they have also there. So, you like to come here? And look at this here on the left side. As you can see, glad to see a lot of tourists roaming around in this area. And the weather is a bit okay. At least the rain stopped for a moment. So I hope it will not rain again soon so that I can finish this video. And this is Bintang Bali Resort. Looks very big resort. Very nice, isn't it? Will you stay here for your next holiday to Bali? And here they have the crispy duck or bebek tepi sawah restaurant. So if you like to try crispy duck or duck dishes, you can go there. It is brunch restaurants. Their original restaurant is in Ubud. And here is the Kunyit restaurant by the Anfaya. I think the restaurant is open, but not really busy. Like here on the right side, I think some of you asked me about this Fabris Hotel. The restaurant looks busy, a lot of people having lunch there, and the resort or the hotel, of course, is busy. Okay, so look at this. This is the Queens of India restaurant, but unfortunately not really busy at the moment. And next to Queens of India, they have also another Indian restaurant. And this one also not really busy. Maybe there are not so many Indian tourists at the moment in Bali, especially in this area. But look at this. This is the Green Garden Hotel. They've been renovating this place since quite a long time, but until now, not open yet. So let's see in the future. Here they have a lot of scooter for rent, and last time also I explained it already that you still can rent scooter, but as long as you have your driving license and just follow the rules in Bali, and don't follow people or the local people that don't wear helmets and like that, because randomly police sometime doing a check, so you will be in trouble if you don't follow the rule. And here, I don't know what happened. I think the taxi stopping there in the front, it caused quite a lot of traffic. And here there is a nice spa, Crown Day Spa. I didn't really recognize it before, but it looks nice from here. Have you been to this spa before? I think it looks nice, yeah. And as you can see, some tourists entering the spa. And here also they have another spa, summer spa. Both are look nice. And here on the left side, this is the fake hotel, and they have the restaurants as well. But still, they're not really busy, unfortunately. And this hotel, I think most of you know, this is the Discovery Kuta Plaza Hotel, one of the biggest hotels in this area. Let's drive slowly. I don't know what happened in the front. It caused a lot of traffic. Look at that. Nice to see a lot of tourists walking around in this area. And here on the left side, I think most of you know, this is the Discovery Kuta Plaza Mall. Look at that, quite busy, which is good. So this is the situations of the mall. Would you like to come here? And normally at evening time they will have live music here in the front. They have kind of like band or something like that. And the opposite side they have the Spice Mantra still open, and there Warung Beras Merah, I think that one is owned by the hotel, and it's open, and as you can see some people there enjoying their lunch. Here we have the Bamboo Bar and Grill. By this time also busy in this area. And next to it, this is the water boom, of course. Maybe more fun, yeah, when you come to water boom during the rainy day. Okay, so let's continue. Here is the Damar restaurant. Last time someone said that Damar restaurant is also good for Indonesian food. And this is the resort, Green Garden Resort. But here, the area is very quiet, these cafes, only few people here. The wind is a bit strong now, so for those of you that driving scooter in Bali, you need to be careful. And it's raining like all day in Bali, so the road will be slippery. So you just slow down a little bit when you drive scooter. And as you see, all the restaurants around here, some of them are open, but this place still closed. I don't know if they opened dinner time, but let's see. This is the Matilda Spot Bar. Not really busy at the moment. And here is the Kuta Paradiso Hotel. Nice hotel anyway. And around the hotel, there are so many things to visit. Here, just beside of the hotel, they have a lot of restaurants. Even here, also in the front, seafood house. Look at that. Some people enjoying the lunch there. And here you can find many kinds of food. Seafood, Indian food, international burger, and this is, you can choose here. They have lobster, crabs, fishes, and etc. Wow, look at this. They have new Italian restaurant here. They just opened, I think, not long ago. I don't know, maybe a few days ago. So for you that visiting this area, maybe you can try. And look at this, the Stadium Cafe or bar is very busy. And here on the left side, this is the market. The market has opened quite a long time already. There. And here is the Kuta Square. Not really busy at the moment, maybe because of the weather. Not really good. But this time I will not drive you to that road. Instead, I will drive you here. But look at this. It was busy a long time ago before COVID-19. I remember this place. There were a lot of clothes sellers. But now this is how it looks like in this area. It's really bad. Look at this. Nothing is open in this area. But there is a nice hotel here. I hope this hotel is open. But at least I can see some tourists roaming around or walking around in this area, which is good. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.